What are you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you the easiest and best way to make cranberry juice. I'm gonna be using 2 bags of organic cranberries, which is equivalent to 4 cups. In case you're wondering where I got the organic cranberries from, I got them from Sprouts. After pouring the cranberries into a bowl, I'm gonna go through them to remove any one that is soft and that can pop easily. Any cranberry that is soft is already breaking down and fermenting, so it is not good. So I am done removing the unwanted berries. These are the ones that I selected out of them. Since they are organic berries, I'm just gonna rinse them with water. It is very important to wash your berries because they might look clean, but I'm telling you they are not. I've seen videos of people harvesting cranberries and you see the berries floating on the river and you think they are very clean. They are not. After the first rinse, I transferred the berries into a measuring cup in order to get an accurate measurement. We have 4 cups of cranberries. I don't know if you can see those floating things in the water. This is what you're gonna get with your juice if you don't wash your berries. I'm just gonna give them another wash before blending them. If this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. I'm gonna be using about half a bottle of purified water to blend them. If you have a juicer, feel free to use it, but if you don't, you might as well use the blender just like me. When I'm done, I'm gonna pour it into a sieve and let it drain naturally. I'm gonna use the remaining water to rinse out whatever is left in the cup. Pour it into the sieve and let it drain naturally. Letting it drain naturally will mostly give you the juice without a lot of pulp. But that does not mean that I'm not gonna squeeze out more juice from the pulp. When it has stopped draining, I'm gonna pour the juice into another cup so that I can squeeze out the remaining juice from the pulp. Feel free to use more water to extract the juice, but I don't want mine to be too diluted, so I'm gonna stick to 1 bottle. Let me use this opportunity to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. When I'm done, I'm gonna further filter it with a chiffon cloth so that the juice is purely juice. That does not mean that it is not okay to drink it with the pulp. It is actually okay to drink it with the pulp. But if you want pure juice, you have to filter it with a cheesecloth or a chiffon cloth. A little about cranberries. Cranberries are a superfood that are nutrient dense. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C. Cranberries also have so many health benefits such as reduction of inflammation. In fact, cranberry juice is very popular in so many convalescent homes to prevent and treat UTI. They are good for your heart, skin, liver, and even the digestive system, just to mention a few. For the pulp, I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to use it to make jam. As you can see, the color is very dark. That means it still has the nutrients. I'm going to show you guys how to make it in another video. And when I make the video, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You can check it out later if you're interested. Cranberries are very tart, so feel free to sweeten the juice before drinking it. So now that you know how to make a very simple and healthy cranberry juice, Why don't you give this a try? I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it and your body is gonna thank you. So, thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.